Justin, come in. Come inside. Yeah. Come inside. No. Hello, Justin. Hi.
ஹாய்.
Hi. ஓகே மாஸ்க் ஏன் போட்டிருக்க?
கொஞ்சம் கேமரா.
அடா பாவி டே, என்னடா எல்லாரும் இப்படி இருக்கீங்க? தமிழ் தானே நீ?
தமிழ் தான் ப்ரோ.
சரி எப்படி இருக்க? மைக். ஓகே, dual mic is there now.
Okay.
Fine na? Okay. So he is Vaibhav. He's also working on Just Pay. He's also so talented actually. He can also give guidance. So we'll talk in English.
Yes.
Okay. So he is Naresh. Naresh is a system engineering. He is also working.
Yes.
Okay. Now you will also work.
Yes,
You don't have to worry about it because you have talent. Okay. Okay guys, 10 people are watching right now. It's a top 10 minutes of the video. Share it, and if you guys want to be stay, you guys will take good things, or else it's your wish. Tell hello.
Hello.
This is how you can carry. This is the mic.
This is the mic.
Yes. ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணுங்க, எல்லாம் நல்லா கேக்குது. சரி ஓகே, டென்ஷன் ஆகாதீங்க. என்ன ஒரு கோவத்திலே இருக்காரு. சரி ஓகே, கம் ஆன். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் வந்துட்டு have to know something about you. Who are you? What's your good name?
I'm Sriram.
Okay.
So I'm coming from Salem.
Okay.
So that's all.
Sriram. Justin இல்ல.
Justin இல்ல.
Your name is Sriram.
Sriram.
Why just all? Why just? இப்படி interview, let's say this is an interview. Okay. Hey Sriram, hello. I'm Thanish. So I have to know about you. Just tell me about you. Now will you tell?
So I'm Sriram. I'm coming from Salem.
Okay.
So I'm passed out in 2025 in some college.
Okay.
So and I know technical skills Java.
Okay.
And I'm currently learning Spring Boot, MySQL,
Okay.
and backend frameworks I'm learning.
Okay. What are the projects that you have done?
And projects I'm currently learning, so after that only I have to do the project.
Okay, sure.
So before we want to do project means we have to learn something to do.
Okay.
So I'm currently learning.
Okay. I understand, but this is not the way you speak in interview. Okay. So first see.
It's okay. Yeah.
First வந்துட்டு you have to tell about you.
Okay.
Okay. Salem and all, it's not important.
It's not a
Redundancy is you can remove it.
okay.
Hey, hello. I'm Thanish, and
Okay.
see, I'm proficient in this language.
Okay.
Lot of language is also not okay because the more the language you say, the more the risk you take.
Okay. Deep understanding.
Deep understanding. Whatever you know, deep understand that you understand. But you tell it correctly only. You told I know Java. Okay, Java is a very good language to choose. Why Java is very good language to choose? Java community is higher. Also, lot of companies is using it, and also it follows C's standard syntax. So that is also good, which Python does not does, right?
Yes.
So that is also good. And then now whatever you are saying is that you did not did project. Why? 4 years you had time, and then you have taken 1.5 years extra. That is not something to be expected. Also, how to do something practical should be over than theoretical. When I say that you are learning something, you have to do project while learning itself. That is the correct way of learning.
Definitely.
And you are getting the point?
Yes.
So அப்போ நான் என்ன சொல்லுவார் அப்படின்னா, if you are learning some X or Y Z thing, you learn and apply it. It should be like that. So that means practical should be higher than theoretical. That is where it will beat your college. So now the decision comes to the college, right? Now you saying that your college, and then guys you have to be smart. So whatever leaves you guys have, please take complete leaves and take some space for you guys and time, and then learn things. Okay, take time and learn things. Okay, because self learning is the best learning, I would say. I'm calling it out here because professors are, you check fact, if they want to get placed like me or something, they will go and place. Why they want to teach for 30k?
Definitely.
For sure, right?
Definitely.
It's a straightforward fact. See, because of all these facts, right, I got legal issues and all, college issues and all I got, but I don't care because whatever fact I will tell in the video. So self learning is the best learning because even teacher, they are good. I'm saying they are the mentors. Okay, they can say a path, but they cannot say the path updated path because they are not updated.
Definitely.
Then how can you guys can know? Why I'm 100% correct or not? This goes to all the college, third tier college, because how can you believe one guy? I will say I will not believe myself itself. I have to recheck myself with internet. Internet have good resources and good source. I'll tell one thing to myself, but I'll judge myself whether it is wrong or right. And go and search that. Okay, this is how you have to choose the college. See, college is about placement, to get placement, but college is not about the life. This is the understanding you guys to have. Okay, one thing is completed. Okay, so now what is the state of your in DSA?
DSA வந்து நான் அப்பதான்
English பேசுமா.
So I'm just now.
Why I'm telling you to talk in English, right?
Okay.
Then only you'll learn. Experience will make you good in English.
Yes.
Can you see that I am so good in English? How? It's nothing but I talk English as my mother tongue. I do it the same. Basic.
So I'm just now understand. I do not know more about like you DSA, but I'm just now learn. So now only I'm learning Java.
Okay.
So
Okay.
So
By how much? By how you are learning Java? Which video you are seeing?
watching YouTube videos.
Which video videos in Java?
Telescope.
Telescope. Why?
Yes.
Good Thanish. Java videos are very best.
So I started from learning, so that's why I did.
Oh, I understand, but the best one is Code Thanish only.
Okay.
Because it's not because of mine. I'm telling because it is the best. It is the saturation point one can learn something. Because I take videos in saturation point.
So I started from that
Scratch only.
scratch
Yes.
only. That's only, so I'm comfortable with that. So
Okay, already you have
see,
started
I'm
there.
changing means
Correct.
it
I
will
understand.
affect, that's why.
Okay,
now
no
watch the
issues,
videos.
ma'am. But I am just thinking about it, right?
Okay.
So issues. If I started, you close it.
Okay.
Okay. And now come into the other things.
Okay.
You know Java, but you know DSA.
No, don't know.
You don't know DSA. Okay. Already you know that you are running out of time.
Yes,
Correct.
Yes, definitely.
Now the better thing is okay. You are here. It's a good thing I would say. Why? Because you are out of your parents.
Yes.
Now you have control over you.
Yes.
They will not have control over you.
Yes.
Okay, that's the better thing and best thing. Also, you are isolated. You are alone. That means you will have the highest productivity.
Yes.
Now narration all would have known that. Highest productivity is when you are alone. And also, this one thing is important. Your circle is so much important.
Yes.
You have to know this, okay?
Yes, yes.
If you are going to some circle where they will put dumb and all these things, then you will also put.
Yes. That's I know.
People will say, if I have self-control, I'll do it. But if you are with the wrong circle, then you will also become the wrong
Definitely,
circle.
I'm
Wrong.
in college that cycle only, so that's.
That I know. I saw. You had some bad habits, no?
No.
You did not have.
No.
But you were in some wrong circles.
Circles,
Like
yes,
means,
means-
matlab they were
They're
lazy.
also,
They're
definitely,
lazy kind of thing.
They're lazy,
Okay.
but they don't know how
I was also in the
choose
wrong
for the
circle.
right path.
I was also in the wrong circle, but I was the best in the circle. Then I became the circle as the best circle. That's how we have to do. So it's okay. And tell me, ma. Now this is your state, right?
Yes,
See, first the priority should be on DSA.
Okay.
Is that clear?
Okay.
So now how to learn DSA?
Yes.
Java, you are good.
Yes, I'm good.
You are good. You know what is data section algorithms?
No. That's
You don't know, right?
No,
Now
that's
let's say.
just, I know.
Okay, sure. Now you know array.
Yes, I know. Arrays.
If you search an element in an array, how can you search? Let's say there is any input user can give. Let's say one guy
I
can
will not
give.
start with the problem solving. I'm
No
only
problem.
just-
I'm just telling you.
Okay.
I'm teaching you what is data section
Okay,
algorithm. Okay. Let's take this book. Where is that book?
data internals.
Data internals. Where is the book? I kept it up. Yeah. Okay. Bye. We'll go soon. Okay. Don't worry. Take this book. Okay. Now let's say I'm telling you to open 250 page. Let's say you no, not like that. Let's say you forgot the index. You don't have index page in book.
Okay.
How will you read this book? Let's say some user is telling you to open one content.
Okay.
You don't know the page. How can you search?
So we have to go one on one.
One on one.
Yes.
Worst case, let's say it was in last page.
So
Now
it
what
should
will
be-
happen? Full we have to search. This is linear search.
Yes.
But now let me say you
If you
something.
have index means we can easily search.
That is map.
Okay.
Now you have index. You know a key and value. The key was the content of it.
Okay.
See, this is how you guys can connect real systems, real life with data section algorithm. Now, this is a key and this is a value. DBMS architecture is a key and it is in 8th page. Is the value of it.
Okay.
Map, hash map.
Okay.
Key was the string.
Okay.
Value was the integer. Then understood. Now leave about it. Now let's say you are having this book.
Okay.
Now I'll tell you that open 250th page of this book. How will you open it?
Just I see
Just
the
how will you-
context of the page.
No, not context. Leave the context.
Okay.
You keep it like this.
Okay.
I'm telling this is 500 page of the book.
Okay. I'm randomly take.
No, don't take randomly.
Okay.
Think about it. 500 page of the book. It's 500. It has
Okay.
500 pages.
Okay.
I'm telling you to open 250. How will you open?
249.
How will you open? How will you open? How will you approach this book? Middle you will open, na?
Yes, middle.
Correct?
Yes.
Open in middle. Open in middle.
Okay.
You open middle.
Yes.
Now you have ended up on which page?
199.
199, right?
Yes.
Now can I say one thing for sure?
Okay.
Should I search this page, this part? Should I search this part after this?
Okay.
Should I search? Do I need
No,
to search?
No. It's not unmonitored because it's
Correct.
198.
Why it is unwanted? Because can I say it is increasing curve?
Yes.
It is sorted,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
So
We
it is
have to go
unwanted.
forward. Yes.
Forward. Now can I say I eliminated n by 2 of the pages?
Okay.
You open middle.
Okay.
You eliminated n by 2. You open n by 2. You are in n by 2.
Okay.
Now you don't want one half.
Okay.
Don't want to search. Okay. Now consider again it as a book.
Okay.
Now if you have to search for 250 only. I know you have to forward it.
Yes.
But repeat the same tab. Now if you go to 250 you have to again 111, it can take time, right?
Okay. Randomly we take.
Again repeat. Now 192 to 500 again take the middle.
Okay. Now if you.
Now what is?
259.
258, right?
258. Yeah, right.
Can I say one thing? This is not required.
Yes,
Then
definitely.
I can eliminate this.
Okay.
Again I eliminated half.
Yes.
Now again take half.
Just be minus.
No, but okay. You are taking 250. But how user will, someone will say take 270. Someone will say 300. So you have to think optimal algorithm.
Okay, okay.
So now you are taking 250, but it cannot be 250 for all the time.
Okay, okay.
Now
User give means we did not know.
correct.
Minus.
So that is why binary search. See, I will tell you. Now I have come 221, right? Now again I eliminate a half.
Yes, okay.
Now I have to go here. Now if I go half, 241.
Yes.
Again I don't want this. I eliminate it. Now again I will go to this. I don't want this. Now again I'll go here. I don't want this. Then I go here. 250.
Yes.
How much steps we take? 6 or 7 steps.
Yes.
But we literally came to a best thing.
Yes.
Binary search algorithm. You said that is a, but how it works? Because book is sorted. If array elements are not sorted, binary search cannot be done. It's as simple as that, because you don't know to make a decision. Why did you make a decision? Because you know that 1 to 250 is only here. Then 252 other elements will be right only. But if you don't know about this metric and properties, how will you know? This is algorithm.
Okay.
And what is data structure, bro? Key and value. That I said index. Index page, I said key and value. It is a map. It's a map data structure. To store something, it's a data structure. To using the stored thing and playing things, right? Playing things and doing algorithms, right? When array was there and we were playing some algorithm, we are doing binary search. Then this book is an array. And playing with it is an algorithm. Data structures and algorithms. I hope it's clear. I hope it is clear. இப்போ சொல்லுங்கடா டே எவன் டாக்டர்ன்ட்டு ஓகேவா ஓகேவா இப்போ புரிஞ்சா பைனரி சர்ச் இதை போட்டு கண்டென்ட்டாக போட்டாலும் சரி என்ன வேணால் போட்டாலும் சரி திஸ் இஸ் பைனரி சர்ச் யூ அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட் திஸ் இஸ் அல்காரிதம்
Yes.
ஸோ நவ் யூ திங்க் அபவுட் இட் வி ஹேட் அ ப்ராப்ளம் டு சர்ச் பட் ஐ மினிமைஸ்ட் இட் டு வெரி மினிமல் டைம் காம்ப்ளெக்சிட்டி ஹவு ஃபாஸ்ட் ஐ சர்ச் திஸ் இஸ் ஹவ் யூ ஹவ் டு மேக் கம்ப்யூட்டர்ஸ் டு சர்ச்
Okay, okay.
how can you make it very slower very faster to think it is data structure and algorithm. So it is important because you, let's say you are working in Google, what Google will think, Google want to perform better than others.
Yes,
If Google want to perform better than others, computer should be fast. Okay, this is why DSA is important. Now how to learn DSA, bro? DSA should be the first priority. Go to your home, take your notebook, put 24 hours here of your timeline and take and say this much hours I'll sleep, after this whatever I'll do. In that DSA should be priority for 1 year, highest priority.
Okay.
How to learn the DSA? Now you know Java for Java, na?
Little nice, okay.
Okay. Then understand Java more better.
Okay.
Also now practice problem solving. Leave development as of now.
Okay.
DSA, go DSA because you want to go to product based company, na?
Definitely.
Yes. So you go DSA and then you go resources because you can take Thanish
Okay.
for basic videos. For more advanced video, you can go for TechDose. TechDose is so good. And then if you want okay-ish content, then you can go for Take You Forward. Okay, but TechDose is way better and best. But okay, but that is someone does not know. But okay, TechDose is always the best. If you want okay and learning things and basic more oriented, then Take You Forward. Okay, okay, ma.
Okay.
Okay. And also one thing I have to say, people have different idea about courses and that I will talk about later. Now this is about DSA. Okay. Now what you have to do again? Next, you have to see. A best software developer is not someone who knows DSA. A best software developer is someone who is balancing all.
Adaptability.
Yes, balancing all. Because as software developers should know DSA, should know to problem solving, that is DSA. Should also know to know the fundamentals of it. Computer science, what is DBMS, what is database. See, why did I bought this book, database internals? This is not required for you for as of now, but you need the basics of the things. What is database, what is operating system, what is networking, all these things you need. How to learn this? Use AI, ChatGPT,
Yes.
Gemini, Claude. You research all, you use all the things and see, and which is best suited for you, try that.
Yes, okay.
Okay, Gemini you use for studying and all.
DBMS.
Gemini,
DB.
first how to use AI. First you create a skeleton of whatever you are going to study. DBMS. See, first planning is so much important than executing. Okay, first plan things because that area only make researching things a lot. So if you do better researches, you can solve problems in a different way, in a different and the best way. Bye bye, I'm right? Yes. So first the planning is the best thing. So do that. Okay. So the end goal is first you learn DSA. Side by side you have to see CS fundamentals as well. Works.
Okay.
And then what else you want? You want
Develop-
web development. Correct.
Web development.
You can use MERN stack because
Okay.
that is the easiest way you can now do development.
Okay.
So also if you do web development, you will also be learning this computer science fundamentals as well.
Okay.
You have to explore that as well. Okay. First give most priority to DSA. When I say that, let's say you are having 10 hours in a day, 5 hours give to DSA, 2.5 hours give to web development, 2.5 hours to give to CS fundamentals, and then to do all these things, make use of AI, so that you will be better in AI as well. So if you do all these things, you are done and dusted. Don't have to worry. You will be the most skillable guy, and you will get the job. Now the main point, the main thing is that how should I give this example? That I should give a good example. Okay, maybe you are good at one thing, but if you are not showcasing that, it is waste of being good at that thing. Also, now what your situation? You are in a critical situation, can I say? Because you are burning your amount. Now, how to do that? Parallelly, you have to look for jobs.
Yes,
How
okay.
can I look for jobs? As I said, you make me connection, make others connection as well.
Yes,
You should put your comfort zone out.
okay.
Make others connection. Tanish, you can talk. Manna, and a referral kudana. Ask, because market is in that.
Okay.
You have to put efforts. Go to LinkedIn, go to others. See, நான் இப்போவும் சொல்கிறேன், இந்த மாதிரி அட்வைஸ்லாம் கிடைக்கிறது ரொம்ப கஷ்டம். எனக்கு கிடச்சதே இல்லைடா. எனக்கு எவனுமே அட்வைஸ் பண்ண, எனக்கு அட்வைஸ் பண்ணது நான் மட்டும்தான். நல்லா புரிஞ்சுக்கோங்க. உங்களுக்கு உங்களே அட்வைஸ் பண்ணணும், தப்பே கிடையாது. நம்மளுக்கு தெரியாததோட எவனுக்கும் தெரிய போகிறது இல்லை. அந்த நம்பிக்கை வைங்க, உங்கள் மேலே நம்பிக்கை வைங்கடா. நம்பிக்கை வச்சு பண்ணுங்கள், ஓகேவா? ஸோ இதுக்கப்புறம் தென் நவ் வாட் ஆர் த திங்ஸ், ஆல் திஸ் திங்ஸ் யூ ஹேவ் டு ரெஸ்பெக்ட் அண்ட் யூ ஹேவ் டு டூ இட். தட்ஸ் இட். யூ ஆர் டன் அண்ட் டஸ்டட் அபவுட் ஆல் தி திங்ஸ். Projects, that is when I don't have web development. Whatever Vaibhav is telling is correct. Project takes you experience. It's not about showcasing to others. Resume and all, who sees now? 30 seconds also now no one will see. Project is about getting experience.
Project speaks louder.
Like, because you will get experience, you will get more exposure to yourself to all the stacks. Then only you will get to know. See, if you see the playground and you understand things, it will not teach you. Go inside the playground and play it. Then only you will get to know all the things about it.
Yes.
That is the end goal what is Vaibhav is saying. So all these things காதில் வாங்கிட்டு அப்படியே விடுறதுக்கு இல்லை. டு கெட் இட் இன் யுவர் அண்ட் நாட் புட் இட் அவுட் சைட். கெட் இன் டு யுவர் அண்ட் கெட் இன் டு யுவர் ஹார்ட் அண்ட் கீப் இட் இன் யுவர் பிரெயின் அண்ட் தென் டூ இட் திங்ஸ். ஆல் த பெஸ்ட்.
Yes, thank you.
Thank you. Okay, sure na. If you guys have any doubts, I'll read it out, guys. If you guys have any doubt in this, உன்னை போய் உள்ளே விட்டுருமா?
இல்லை நான் நடந்து போயிடுவேன், நோ ப்ராப்ளம்.
குணால் குஷ்வாவை ரெக்கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்கள் டிஎஸ்ஏ. குணால் குஷ்வாவை ப்ரோ, குணால் குஷ்வாவோட என்னோட வீடியோ தான் ப்ரோ நல்லாயிருக்கும். அப்படிங்கும்போது எப்படி ப்ரோ குணால் குஷ்வாவை நான் ரெக்கமெண்ட் பண்ண முடியும்? கரெக்ட் தானே? என்னோடய வீடியோ சத்தியமாக நல்லாயிருக்கு ப்ரோ. அதுதான் சேச்சுரேஷன் பாயிண்ட்டு. நான் இப்போ இவ்வளோ பேசுகிறவன் இது என் வீடியோஸில் எப்படி இருக்கும், எப்படி பேசியிருப்பேங்கிறத நினச்சிக்கோங்க. ஓகே மா, நீ போயிடுவியா? கூட விட்டுருமா?
இல்லை வேணாம்.
போயிடுவியா? டீ வேணும் குடிப்பா, ஒரு டீ ஏதாச்சும் குடிப்பா?
ஓகே, டீ கூட.
இப்போ கேன் வி ஹேவ் ஒன் டீ வித் தெம்? வேர் ஸ்ட்ரேட் ஆர் இல்லைனா இன்னொரு நாள் டீ வைக்கலாம். அவனுக்கு டைம் ஆயிடுச்சு.
ஓகே.
உனக்கு கூட விட்டுருவா இப்படி?
இல்லை வேணாம்.
போயிடுவியா? எங்கேருந்து எவ்வளோ தூரம்?
இங்கேருந்து ஒரு என்ன சொல்கிறது, ஒரு 700 மீட்டர் தான்.
அப்போ போ. அப்படியா? போயிடுவேன். ஓகே பாப்போமா? சரி, நாங்கள் டைம் ஆயிடுச்சு. கிவ் மீ ஹேக். ஓகே, டூ வெல். ஓகே, ஆல் தி பெஸ்ட் ஃபார் யூ. நரேஷ், டெல் ஹிம் பெஸ்ட் விஷஸ்.
ஆல் தி பெஸ்ட் ஃபார் யுவர் ஃபியூச்சர். தேங்க் யூ.
என்னாச்சுடா? தொண்டை கட்டி இருக்கா? கொஞ்சம் எமோஷனல் ஆன மாதிரி இருக்கு.
ஸோ வீ கேன் மீட்.
ஆக்சுவலாக என் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸும் இதே நல்லா இருப்பாங்க. ஸோ அவனை பார்க்கும்போது என் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸை நினைக்கிறேன் தோணுது.
அப்படியா?
ஸோ மீட் பண்ண முடியும்.
கண்டிப்பாடா.
ஸோ ஐ கேன் கால்.
கண்டிப்பா, நான் உனக்கு அண்ணன் தானே. நீ என்ன அண்ணன் நினைக்கிறியா இல்லையா? என் லைவுக்கு எப்பவுமே வா. சரி, என் லைவ் கண்டிப்பாக உனக்கு வேஸ்ட் ஆஃப் த டைமாக இருக்காது. லைவில் நம்ம நிறைய டிஸ்கஸ் பண்ணலாண்ணே. அதுக்கப்புறம் நம்ம கண்டிப்பாக இங்கேயும் பார்க்கலாம். அப்போ சரியா நரேஷ்? சரி, இப்போ நரேஷ்ன்ற பேர் ஸ்ரீராம, எனக்கு ஒரு விஷயம் பேச வேண்டியது இருக்குது. இப்போ லைவில் பேச முடியாது.
அதான் தெரியும். அதான் நான் வந்து லைவ் பேசுனீங்கன்னா எப்போ பேசுனேங்க?
ஏன் நினச்சிட்டு இருக்கேன்?
இல்லை, நான் பேசுறதுக்கு லைவில் பேச முடியாதுல்ல.
கரெக்ட். இல்லை, ஒரு விஷயம் உனக்கு நீ ஆப்பர்ச்சுனிட்டின்னு சொல்லிட்டு இருக்கல, உனக்கு நான் ஒரு ஆப்பர்ச்சுனிட்டி தரேன்.
இல்லைனா ஒரு டைம் ஸ்பெண்ட் பண்ணுறேன். நான் நைட்டு லைட்டாக போனாலும் போகிறேன்.
இல்லைடா, இப்போதைக்கு நீ
டைம்
இல்லை என்னன்னா இப்போ வீட்டில் வேறு இருக்காங்க, வீட்டில் வேறு போக வேண்டியது. அதனால
ஃப்ரீயான டைம் மட்டும்
கண்டிப்பாக நீ இப்போ வந்து ரேப்பிடோ எல்லாம் போட தெரியும் உனக்கு. நான் சொல்லி தரேன், நீ ரேப்பிடோ போட்டு வா. சரிம்மா, பாய். நம்மா கைஸ் வில் க்ளோஸ் த லைவ். நான் லைவ் மட்டும் படிச்சு நான் க்ளோஸ் பண்ணுறேன். ஸ்ரீராம், பாய். நம்மா சரி, பாய். டெல் வைபவ் ஆல்சோ பாய். வைபவ் டெல் நான் வைபவ்.
பாய்.
ஓகே பாய். மாஸ்க்மா பாய். என்ன? ஓகே, ஷூர்.